Dun dun dun. Newsflash. The market is red. What do I do? Okay, let's go and see what's going on in the life of Bitcoin and every other coin. Now, look at it. Bitcoin has been dumping in the past 3 to 4 hours. In fact, it didn't just start today, it started a while ago. Look at it. We're looking at the 1 day chart. It started since yesterday. You can see that huge red candle and the one before it. Look at it. Look at this huge red candle and the one before it. So that means that yesterday Bitcoin had been jumping. I noticed it. Then today it even went lower. Right. Now you can see that the entire market is dumping. Let's go to market. See, it's dumping. Look at it. Everywhere is red. A few greens here and there. Look at it. Look at the reds. Look at the reds. Look at the reds. That means it's a bloodbath. And that could explain to you why a lot of coins are going down. And that also explains to us the reason why there's not much profit in most of these transactions, okay? Or even most times it ends up in a loss because the market is red. Now, what do we do when we see things like this? Two things that we'll do, and I just wanted to just quickly come up to share this with you. First off is that we either stay out of the market to wait for it to recover so that we can get more profits, especially in triangular arbitrage and inter-exchange arbitrage. I've done a couple of transactions recently, and I found out both in triangular arbitrage and inter-exchange arbitrage, and I'm seeing that within the time it takes you to move your coins from where it is to the actual destination, prices have gone down. And so what that means is that we have to stay longer in a transaction before we are able to get out profit. So that's actually the outcome of what is going. You can see I'm scrolling through all the markets. I can see this is like 90% red. Look at it. This is 90% red. It's really, really bad. I'm sure all of us who have our portfolio in Bitcoin and let's even go to the big fours, right? Let's go to, oh no, this is gainers. Let me go to the favorites. Look at BNB. Look at BNB. It's red. Look at BTC. It's red. Look at ETH. It's red. Look at, and this is okay. This is BUSD, but BUSD and USDT, they're practically the same. These are the top coins, right? They're all red. Everything is red. Solana red, ETH red, BTC red, BNB red. Whether it's BUSD or it's USDT, they're all the same. Let me show you this. Let's go to USDT. So look at it. Let's go to the top. Let's go to the. You can see I'm able to scroll. It's such a bad. Oh my god. See, BTC is red. ETH USDT is red, right? Let's look for BNB. BNB is red. That's BNB USDT. Solana is red. Now, what are we talking about? Everything is practically red. So what do we do? Like I said, first off, stay out of the market. Wait for a while. Let the market heal itself, right? Let's not let the market cure it, and that's what always happens. Let's go back to BTC and see what I'm showing you. The market will always cure after a while. It's just normal. This is day. Let me go to 1 hour. The market will cure itself after a while, right? So stay out of it and just don't place any trades. But if you place any trades now, you are going to have to wait. That means your limit order will wait longer. Yes, I'm telling you. So that's one. Then the other thing that we can do, right? There are two things we can do. Secondly, is that we can go straight to gainers. We can still see a couple of them, but you have to be very careful because if you take a look at this now, you can see LQTY is 20%. I mean, normally on a regular day when you come to gainers, you should see like 60%, 80%, in some cases 100%, 100 and something percent. But hey, look at it. The highest here is 20% increase within the last 24 hours. Just to let you know that it's also still being affected. I mean, look at this. You can say, okay, let's go with gainers and do some spot trading. Yeah, that there's an opportunity for that. But you have to be very careful because whatever you're seeing here, especially when you've gone past the 70% mark, let me see this. The 70, okay, this is 81. Then I wouldn't even advise you do that because this price is gonna switch. That's it. Because once you see that, right? Except maybe you're seeing it's still within the 60. Okay, this may look good. This is 55. This is a 55 arrangement. Yeah, it's not bad. So you can look at it, but you can see that every single trade here, or when I say every coin that's still on the gainers, has experienced some form of dumps. So you need to know that you have to be careful, right? Quickly do trades, be very conservative, and move out very quickly. Look at REI. Look at this. You can see it experienced a huge pump and now it's dumping, but it's still on the gainers. And that's because BTC is dumping, right? So these are my two pieces of advice. First one, looking at the markets, right? Just stay out of it for now. For a few days, just let it cure, maybe 1 or 2 days. It will cure. Let's look at the you can see it's, I mean, look at three huge candles. Let me go to 4 hours. Still dumping. I can see that the parabolic SAR has come out. The parabolic SAR has come out, so it's likely that it's going to be dumping for a while. For 4 hours. One day, what do we have? The parabolic SAR has not yet kicked in, right, for the other side to drop it down, but it's most likely gonna. So let's check the 15 minutes. Obviously, you can see it's really, really on a downtrend. 1 hour, it's also on a downtrend. 4 hours, the parabolic SAR just came out, right? One day, it hasn't switched, but if it does switch, if you get to see the parabolic stars pushing it down on the one day, just know that you gotta have to wait for a few more days for all this to cure. Right? So that's my two pieces of advice. I hope you learned something. Let me know what you think about the market. Let me know in the comments if you have, placed trades and you're waiting. I have placed a couple of trades, and the truth is, I have to wait. Yeah, don't forget, I don't do market order. I do limit order, and I follow all the principles. So, and I'm seeing this, I just said, let me come up here and quickly tell you what's going on, right? So that you know what to do per time. I hope you learned something from this video. I look forward to hearing from you. Let me know what your own experiences have been. Have you been making profits recently? Have you been seeing quick turnovers of your trades? Or have you been stuck in a few trades? Let me know in the comments. God bless you, and I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day. Bye.